You guys, welcome back to another day of my life. What we are going today is I am taking you behind the scenes for my Missmomo website shoot. I kind of had to think a lot if I want to show you this or not because it can also be a little tricky that I'm showing what goes behind the scenes for a company, for a website, for a clothing brand, right? But I'm like, why not? If I can inspire a little bit through this, let's do it. Usually, if you think of a website and photo shoot, you think studio, you think art direction, you think photographer, you think editor, you think lights, you think makeup artist, hair artist, stylist, whatnot. I'm a one-man army. Reason is because I'm a startup owner. All the money that I've invested into the company has gone out of our savings. So if I can save a penny, I'm going to do so. And you're going to see exactly how I do this entire shoot under 10,000 rupees. Let's go. See, I think where can I save money? First thing is hair and makeup. I have invested so much money in hair and makeup and like self-learning it, and I have gotten good at it. So why not? I'm straight saving 15 to 20,000 rupees in terms of hair and makeup because any good hair and makeup artist for a full day shoot and some 17 changes is easily going to charge you between 15 to 20 or more. So that's my first save. I'm going to do my own hair and makeup, and I have been doing that for all my shoots, and I'll show you how awesome I'm at it. Guys, can you see me? How did I do? How do you do? How did we do? Kidding. I have to go. My photographer is waiting. So this is where I saved around 20,000 rupees. What do you think? Own hair, own makeup. So I'm going to have to do outdoor shoot and I'm going to have to do 17 outfits. Initially got a vanity for myself, all air conditioned and all of that, but that cost you 15 to 20,000 rupees a month. So I switched to a tempo, a porter, we call it in Bangalore. These are things that are used to move carriages and all of that. Not carriages, packages, couriers, your whatever little thing. So you will see my own personal vanity. This guy takes only $1,000. So I'm saving 20,000 rupees here as well. So let's go. I'll show you my vanity, and we're driving down, and I'm also saving on the location, and I'll show you guys the location very, very soon. It's free of cost, not spending anything. Usually locations like this cost you 35 to 40. So far, what's my save? 20,000 on makeup, 20,000 on vanity, and say 30,000 on the location. 70,000. Let's go. So we are running a little late. I was supposed to be there at 3:30, but I'm only gonna make it at 4:30. It's fine. I have 17 clothes to do. I'll finish it in 2 hours. Watch me. Ooh, what a timing. And who is assisting me today are actually my two designers. So there also I save money. I take my full-time employees and they only do stylist job. They will only take out reference photos. They will only do corrections. So no art director needed, no stylist needed, definitely no spot boy and spot girl needed. We are all... This is my shoot location. Welcome, and here is my vanity. Don't you dare make fun of me. When you ever become a startup owner, you will understand why I'm doing all of this. I honestly don't have to, right? I'm privileged. But then, considering the fact that I was raised in a middle-class family, I've always learned to value money in a different way. And I will save in whichever way I can. And this is me. I'm gonna go change. Guru has got me a tent, and that's where I change. The weather is so pleasant in Bengaluru, and the locations that we're gonna use is that abandoned building there, and then we're gonna use some spot here, and then more towards the stone, and you will keep seeing more and more. But meet Guru. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
It was him
Hi.
who made me start a vlog.
Yeah.
He was the one who said I should start a YouTube vlog.
YouTube, yes.
And I'm so glad he did it.
Thank you.
Alrighty, let's go. So excited to change to the first one.
There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. Volcanic, what can we do, it gets manic. I know what I'd rather. When I pick up the mic, it's power. When I pick up the mic, got powers. When I pick up the mic, it's power. When I pick up the mic, got powers.
Done. Mood also we got, no? You know what is sad? That I'm gonna age and I will no longer be able to model for Missmomo. Said who? I'm here to change narrative.
4, 3, 2 in the morning. Yeah, I'm still up, you're boring. Life keeps getting better and better, and I'm not stressed, I'm snoring. It'll get messy, get gory. Simpleness not for me. I don't care about football, care about this, that, care if you're acting 40. Like quick call back, can't ignore me. They don't even know my story. Any little sour patch acting salty, flows on point like gourmet.
Welcome to the secrets of my photo shoot. This tent over here is where I change for all these outdoor shoot locations. This is loaned to me by Guru. I really can't spend money on this one either. And I set up like a whole room. Like I put my carpet, I customize the trailer. Alright, Kiva, why are you hiding like that? Okay, I'm gonna change to the tent outfit. I'll see you guys in a bit. Are you ready? Alright guys, it's 6:06 and the sun's come down and it's cloudy and it's winters. So usually we can go up to 6:30, 6:45, but today we are not because the gold rays is starting to look bronze. So we're gonna reshoot this on Sunday. But on that note, I'll see you guys in another one. Thank you very, very much for being a part. Stay fashionable.
Hi.
You guys, welcome and welcome back. We are finishing those 13 garments today. And dude, guess what? Every single time I will be like, today I'm gonna start getting ready at 12 p.m. so that I am at the shoot location at 3 p.m. But now it's 3:44 p.m. and I'm still driving to the shoot location. I'm gonna reach there at 4:18. I'm gonna have 2 hours of sunlight and I have to chop and finish off 13 garments. My desi girl.
This is amazing.
Desi girl,
Ready-made.
girl, girl.
How come this is coming right side?
Oh yeah, that's just me not wearing a sari. Nice, we got it. You guys want to see the picture? Oh, it is so pretty. All right, just go to missmomo.in and you will see the picture. Alrighty, guys, it's a wrap, and I'm going to wrap it up right here and kind of just give you the closure here. Thank you very, very much for being a part of our behind the scenes and our shoot. If any one of you out there aspires to have a clothing brand, I wish you all the luck, and I wish you all that you want to do with the clothing brand, because I know how awesome it feels for a girl who loves fashion to be able to finally have her own brand. So on that note, stay gorgeous, stay pretty, don't shy away from doing anything that your mind tells you to, okay? Bye. See you on another one. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so very much. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers.